Just ordered this 6-tier waterfall for the backyard. It's a pretty big box, but it's only about 30 pounds, so it's really not too heavy. It's going to go into the back here. Let's set it up. It's all inside of styrofoam. Comes with the installation guides, like a quick guide, and then some owner's manuals. Little box has the pump and plugs. Tilted the box on end, just pulled it out here. It's inside the styrofoam. We'll open that up. It's wrapped real well. It's not going to fall out on you. Then there's like 4 rubber bases to it, and the top plastic just comes right off. I thought it would be a little bit top heavy. It's really not. You've got little filters in each of the cavities here. Place for the pump in the back. And there's a stone door for that to go on there. Underneath has these little pegs, so it stays nice and secure. Next we'll put it into position, fill it with water. Then you just screw the pump into the hose here. This is going to drop down into the reservoir there. The cable will come out through this hole in the back, through that door. Plug it into an outlet. Then you plug in the lights. There's a 12 volt outlet or 120 volt outlet option for that. Then just fill it up with water. Then once it's full of water, you just add power. It's pretty silent. And with the 6 cascading sections, you get plenty of water noise from it. No splashes. The back is kind of flat. It's definitely more solid once there's some water in there. Hope this helps.